Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge, service providers Shitun and Ambika. In this Python tutorial, we will learn list reverse method in Python. Reverse method in Python. In Python, there are several ways to reverse a list. If you need to quickly reverse the order of the items in a list in Python, you can call the reverse list method. That means the reverse method in Python reverses the order of the items in a list. Syntax: listName.reverse. The list reverse method does not take any arguments. The return value of the reverse method is null. The reverse method does not create a new list, rather the list is modified in place. To get a better understanding of the method, let's examine an example to reverse a list using the reverse method. In this example, the first thing I did was create a new list with the 4 string elements dog, cat, horse and cow and assign it to the variable mylist. In the next statement, I call the list reverse method. The list reverse method does not take any arguments. The reverse method reverses the order of the items in a list. The return value of the reverse method is null. The print statement print mylist will print the output. The output is cow, horse, cat and dog. The reverse method does not create a new list, rather the list is modified in place. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Next video is list sort method in Python. Contact us ambikarai27@gmail.com. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you.